Unleash your creativity with Google Gemini's AI photo editing tool. Exciting news for all photography enthusiasts and casual users alike. Google has just rolled out a game-changing feature in its Gemini app that allows you to edit photos using the power of artificial intelligence, AI. This innovative tool is not just an upgrade. It's a whole new way to interact with your images, making editing as easy as having conversation. No more juggling between different apps. Now you can make detailed edits right within Gemini. Originally introduced back in March as part of Google AI Studio, this feature is powered by the cutting-edge Gemini 2.0 Flash AI model. And the best part? It's now available to users around the globe, supporting over 45 languages. However, keep in mind that the rollout is happening in phases, so it might take a few days for everyone to get access. So, how does this amazing editing tool work? It's simple. You can upload your favorite photos or even generate new images directly in the app. Then, just type out what you want to change using natural language. Want to add a bouquet of flowers to a table? Just ask. Curious about how you'd look with a different hair color? Upload a selfie and let the AI do its magic. The possibilities are endless. Google has designed this AI to tackle even the most complex editing tasks while keeping it user-friendly. However, they're also aware of the potential for misuse, like creating deepfakes. To combat this, the system is trained to reject any requests that involve harmful or offensive content. Additionally, every image edited or created with this feature will carry an invisible SynthID digital watermark, ensuring you know it's AI generated. Google is also exploring the option of adding visible watermarks to further enhance transparency. This rollout is part of Google's larger vision to seamlessly integrate AI into everyday applications, empowering users to access advanced editing tools without needing any technical know-how. So get ready to elevate your photo editing game with Google Gemini. Your creativity is about to soar.